Okay, so as a photographer or filmmaker, you must wake up some mornings raring to go, but you look out the window and it's grey, miserable, dark, dingy, raining, whatever, and you kind of think, I'm going to put it off today and not bother. Happened to me at the weekend. I was just about to go out with the S1H, really excited, brand new camera, and I wanted to go out and do some filming and photographing. Looked out the window, it had been raining, it was grey, miserable and misty, and I thought, I'm not going to bother, but it was really still. Now my wife pointed something out to me in the garden. She took a photo of it and sent it to me, and it was all the inspiration I needed. I'm going to show you what that was now, and then I'm going to show you what I filmed over the next half an hour. So we're going to the garden. You can see it's very similar today. It's been raining, very misty, pretty miserable, but all it took was for my wife to show me this, a small clump of wheat. I spent the next half hour filming it and photographing it, and this is what I got.